life in a cul-de-sac. I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Caitlin Davidson with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at 1143 Cactus Court here in Douglas, Wyoming.
This home is almost 1,200 square feet, 3-bedroom, a 1 3/4 bath, an attached garage, and you're gonna love the mature landscaping. Let's go look around. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and it is in this house as well. We have this awesome island. It is huge, plenty of seating around it, lots of cabinets all over the kitchen, gorgeous lighting.
And we have stainless steel appliances in this kitchen. You've got this huge living room that brings in a ton of natural lighting, and it connects right to the kitchen so you all feel right at home. It's also got laminate flooring that leads into the kitchen, here in the living room, and down the hallway.
This home has lots of upgrades. There's an attached garage that comes right into the kitchen. Perfect place for you to bring in your groceries. A sprinkler system, hot water on demand system, central air, and gorgeous landscaping.
So down the hallway you have your 3 bedrooms and 1 3/4 bath. Both bathrooms have the same countertops and cabinets as the kitchen, so everything flows seamlessly. Now we're here in the primary suite. We've got a walk-in closet as well as a nice primary bathroom. Something to note is in this size of a house, usually you don't see a primary suite that's this large with an attached bathroom.
One more thing we wanted to tell you is that currently there is open prairie behind this home.
I'd love to show you this home. Please call or text me to come see it. I live right here in Douglas, and my family's been here for over 100 years.
Remember, we want you to love where you live.